Look at the question number 3. The question is, A is given 2 square into 3 to the power x. B is given 2 square into 3 into 5. And C is given 2 square. It is 3. It does not have 5. Can I write it as 5 to the power 0? And then 7 to the power 1, right? See, 2, 3. C does not have 5. I can write 5 to the power 0. Here I can write 7 to the power 0. And here I can write 5 to the power 0 and 7 to the power 0. Because anything raised to the power 0 is always 1, right? Now what is the question? LCM of ABC is 3780. You have to find the value of x, right? LCM is given. So LCM of ABC is 3780. This is given. Find the LCM. How we do the LCM? We take the highest powers while doing the LCM, right? So it will be the 2 square. If I look at the power of 3, since I don't know the x, so I will take x 3 to the power x because this is power 1. Maybe if x is 0, so highest power will be the 1. And if x is 4, highest power will be the 4. So since we don't know the value of x, so we will take highest power of x as 3 as x, right? Into. Look at the highest power of 5. Here it is your 1. It will be the 5 into. Look at highest power of 7. That is your 1. So means 7 to the power 1. It will be the 7. Right. You have to find 3 to the power x. So all these numbers, they will come in the denominator. It is your 2 square into 5 into 7. Do the calculations. 3780. 2 2s are 4. 5 4s are 20. Right? And 20 into 7, it is your 140. So 1 0 and 0 cancel. It is your 378 by 14. First it is going on 2 table. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Is it going on 7 table? 7 2s are 14. 189. 19, yeah. 7 2s are 14. 49. 7 7s are 49. So 3 to the power x is 27. Since the base is 3, this side. So can I write 27 as 3 to the power 3? Why I am writing in the form of 3? Because here the base is 3. Exponent law. If the bases are same, so definitely the powers must be same. Only then these two sides will be equal. So what is the value of x? This implies the value of x is 3. He was saying find the value of x. So the value of x is 3. Right? Start writing it.